Alright, I'm back at you YouTubers, and I got a new challenge. You're probably asking yourself, what is this guy gonna do with these banana pudding rolls? That's what I would be asking myself if I was watching some guy try to eat a whole box of banana pudding rolls. And I'm gonna try it under 1 minute. So pudding things. There's 6 of these in a box. I'm just dumping them on this chair here. You see the chair? No trickery, no trickery. Still have them, and they're still the same thing. All right. Now I want you to count. Let's go. Opening up another one. My hands are getting slippery from the frosting. Oh my god, I don't think I did it in a minute. I'll open this one. Last one. Time.